So, what is the latest here?
This is the latest. All this is done. He's got new lights,
Yeah.
LED, and the front is all completed. That's the power steering and all that. Now, the floor is in. The pedals are there. The steering wheel, I haven't stuck it all together yet, but that's what it is. And everything is run off of the computer there. Temperature, the whole works. RPM, you name it.
Okay.
That's all he has to look at. Horn. Now, here's everything to do with the switches, the pump, and the tanks.
Okay.
And then I made rubber covers. They're compression fit, so you just pull them off and put them back on.
Okay.
And here's the second battery with the hold downs and everything. This is all new so that he doesn't have trouble.
Okay.
And each one has a switch. Now in here, I'm waiting for the U-bolts for the drive shaft. Then I can put that together. The brake is on. See the brake? I just got the linkage to hook up. This is the throttle linkage, and this is the shifter linkage. Once I have that, then I can put the floor in, and he's finished.
Okay. So,
And all this, what's left, is no extra cost. What he's got, he's got. Unless I gotta buy parts, but I have the material here for everything.
okay, so this is out the door as soon as you get U-bolts.
Yep.
Okay.
We'll finish the linkages and then test run.
Okay, so still waiting on parts, but this is hopefully out the door within a week. Maybe a bit more.
See, all this stuff he had to have to, so the
Yeah,
doors
yeah.
don't fly open, and you have to have these braces on that he wasn't counting on, and you have to have the chain and the hoses here for
Okay,
all
so
this stuff has got to be done.
okay, well,
And
give us a smile here.
I still got to put an interior light in for him.
Yeah.
If you look up here, that Mickey Mouse thing there,
Yeah.
I gotta take it out and put a real light in.
Okay.
And back there is another light.
Yeah.
You see that one? Well, that'll all work.
Okay. Okay, so this is the Armand Bombardier, and
That's his spring rubbers that he wanted.
yeah, that's what he's talking about right here. We actually got his free spot right there, but Ducks Unlimited is actually coming in immediately right after this machine. We got another machine being driven here north tonight from a customer from St. Laurent, Manitoba. And then we actually have other people that want other work done.
Maybe
So
I'll put the lights on so you can see what his lights look like.
they Dad was worried that he might not have anything to go do here, but he looks like he's going to be busy for the foreseeable future. Still want him to work on this thing. There's the lights, yeah.
Lights,
Yeah.
and there's the. Which one is it?
You got the headlights on. Now there's, yep, that's working. Perfect. So customer can enjoy this for the rest of the winter, and then he wants to bring it back and do a paint job and
Well, we'll see.
a bunch of other stuff what he wants to do here, but go out and enjoy it for the rest of the winter, and we got to move new equipment into the shop. So that's what's going on here.
This is gonna. The only thing that he's gonna be charged with is I gotta buy a good thick sheet of 3/4 inch plywood good on one side and put a floor in. For
Yeah.
him.
Okay.
and then it's good to use.
Yeah.
He can paint it next year if he wants
Yeah.
to, or the year after. It's not like it's been a leak.